We can have the glass over. We can have the glass over the life of our author, the dramatist. Born in 29 and the date is last line. This is the other date. The first line is about his birth year. In between that, we can see that in 1956 he wrote Brokeback in Anger, which was published at the Royal Court Theatre in London, and in 1959 the company of the Tony Richardson directed the film version of the book. Important to point to keep in your mind, the best play of the 1957. This play was awarded this type of award, best play in 1957. Now, this is the photocopy of the author whom we are studying. Look at the photo. Now, the general idea is that the play deals with the love triangle. And you know what are the love triangles? On the one hand, we have Jimmy Potter, the main hero of our drama, his wife, Allison, and the third party, it is Allison's friend, Helena. And this triangle takes place and makes the disturb of the social life of Jimmy and Allison also. And as a part of that, Allison, the wife, leaves the house of her husband and goes to the parents' home. So this is the triangle which plays a major role. The second thing you will have to keep in mind that this theatrical performance was considered as a sort of watershed between the old and the new in the British theatre. Let us we go forward. See here, these are the characters. Out of these 5 characters, you will have to keep in mind 4 major characters. Jimmy Potter, the hero, main character of the play. You know very well. The second is Allison Potter, Jimmy's wife. The difference between this character is that though Jimmy is coming from poor class, working class people, the society in which Jimmy Potter belongs is poor class. On the other hand, Allison is coming from the middle upper class society. And this social distinction, social discrimination, social disparity between these two characters, it is the major part for the dissatisfaction of Jimmy Potter. Jimmy Potter is always dissatisfied. जब भी देखो उसके दिल में असंतोष रहता है. He is dissatisfied all the time. And the first reason for the dissatisfaction of Jimmy Potter is social disparity between husband and wife. Is it clear? Wife coming from higher society, husband coming from lower society, and this disparity makes our main character Jimmy Potter as an angry young man and dissatisfied. जब भी देखो गुस्से में, angry. So this is the first reason. The second reason for the dissatisfaction of Jimmy Potter is that you see Jimmy Potter, so far as his education is concerned, he is graduate. He has completed his graduation. But after the completion of graduation, he is not finding a good career. And a person who cannot find good career becomes irritated all the time. Dissatisfied with the life. A person who cannot get proper career, cannot get proper job, after graduation, what can be the position of a person? Dissatisfied. So the second reason for the dissatisfaction of Jimmy Potter is he is not getting a well job, well career, even though he is a graduation from the university. And we know that Jimmy Potter is running a Swiss stall, मिठाई की दुकान, Swiss stall. In the assistant of Sleep is uneducated person. See the difference. The two partners in a shop, one is graduated, another is uneducated. One is highly educated, another is uneducated. And these two are the partners. Means they are getting equal share. They are getting equal share. Educated, non-educated. Sharing equal. Means education doesn't make any difference on the part of Jimmy. Jimmy पढ़ा हुआ है उसको ज़्यादा मिलेगा, कम पढ़ा हुआ उसको कम मिलेगा, ऐसी बात नहीं. सबको इक्वल मिलता है. जितना जितना मुनाफा कमाया इक्वल. You can get what is the situation of the education system. Here is the satire on the education system so far as Jimmy Potter's education is concerned. Okay. Now, after taking the glance over the characters, you have the little study of this character. Particularly, all these things, Jimmy Potter, we know that he is an angry young man, getting educated but not satisfied with. Even after getting married with this Ellison, they are not satisfied with. There is no good tuning between husband and wife. Social disparity, educational disparity, social status, and political outlooks of these two characters are different. Even though there is a good number of varieties are different in their outlooks of life, they are very common in one thing, and that is love and sex. Because in the beginning of the drama, we come to know that Ellison is pregnant. Ellison is pregnant. And this pregnancy, the news of pregnancy is not disclosed to her husband. Because she knows very well that the nature of her husband, she knows very well. And that is why she hides this good news. Even though this good news was declared to best friend Cliff, but not to husband. Okay. The personality of this character is, whenever you see, he is angry. Even though he abuses Ellison, parents, mother, from every aspect of life. In short, this character of our drama is not satisfied with the life. He has different outlooks of life. Now we have Ellison, and this is the Jimmy's victim. Easy. Wives are supposed to be easy victim of husband. Husband अपना गुस्सा किसके पर निकालेंगे, सबसे पहले अपनी वाइफ पर. Same is the case Osborne has given us in the drama. So Ellison Potter is the easy victim. Whenever he becomes angry, he brings out his burst and his anger on Ellison. So this is the given. She is the strong of the two. She has the courage to leave her family, support her goodness, etc. She has married him, but does not accept his ideas and does not give all of herself to her husband. Outlooks are different, though they are family. Husband and wife, though they are in a family, but outlooks of life are different. They have different ideas, and due to their different ideas, there is no complete tuning between these two characters. Okay, when she is pregnant, she refuses to play on and leaves. Act 1. The play is divided into 3 acts. Act 1, in which 2 characters, then Ellison pregnancy, all these episodes and things have been covered up. In the second act, Ellison with pregnancy leaves the house of her husband and goes with her parents or her father. Okay, so the second act, in which Ellison leaves the house. In the first act, they live together. In the second act, Ellison leaves the house. And in the third act, Ellison comes back in the house. Okay, so rather we can say that Act 3, it is the rehearsal or it is the repetition of the Act 1. Act 3 is the repetition of the Act 1, in which in the beginning of the drama, Allison and Jimmy, they are playing the game, and the name of the game is, rather we can say, Bag and Spiral. Bag, Rinch, Spiral, Kiscoli. Allison becomes Kiscoli, or rather we can say Spiral. On the other hand, Jimmy is representative of Bag, Rinch, and they are playing the game of Bag and Spiral. At the end of the play, when Allison comes back without a baby in the womb, when she leaves the house, remember, when she leaves the house, at that time there was a baby in the womb. But when she comes back with the womb without hope. And there is no any other hope. There is no any other hope for the next baby. Yet she comes back. And when she comes back, again they start to play. Again both, they reconcile, they are united, husband and wife are united, they united and they start playing again same game, Bear and Spiral. So in the beginning of the drama, in the end of the drama, this game is played by these two characters. Okay, Helena is there we have, she is Allison's counterpart, she is the honest and believes in the traditional distinction between right and wrong. Okay, she never pretends to accept Jimmy's ideas and never betrays him. She is of the upper class. And we know she plays a major role of a mistress in Jimmy's house. Actually, she is an actress. And she came in Allison's house for a project work, for a movie or for as a part of her actressness. She came for a project of, and she has intention to stay in the house for a week only. She came with the bags and baggages only for a week. But slowly and gradually the stay was lasting long, and she stayed for several months. And in that several months, they actually, in the beginning, Jimmy had animosity or hatred towards Helena. On the other hand, Helena equally has hatred towards Jimmy. They both have hate and love relationship. Later on, this hatred was turned into the love relationship, and as a part of that, Helena feels guilty when Allison comes back in the third act that I am sorry that I should not have to stay in your house without your permission, and I should not have to develop the relationship with Jimmy, but with that knot of sorrow, she leaves the house. In short, we can say that Helena, who is staying in the house of Jimmy, has two types of roles. On the one hand, she hates Jimmy, and she takes favor of her friend Allison. And on the other hand, when Allison leaves the house, she becomes the dominant personality in the same house. It is not the house of Helena, it is the house of Allison. But in the house of Allison, she is a dominating personality. And she behaves like she is the owner of the house, or she is the mistress of the house, mistress of the house. And takes the control of the everything, even the Jimmy's life. Jimmy's life is governed with the commands and orders of Helena, like that. Okay. So this is the lady who is playing a major role also in this drama. You know the clip, who is the partner in the Swiss store with Jimmy Potter. Okay. Now the themes you can see here, alienation and loneliness. Loneliness, you know, these are the main themes. Loneliness. As I told you, Jimmy Potter always feels himself that I am isolated. No support from inside the home, no support from the society. That is the basic thing. Anger and hatred, because Jimmy feels that society has not given him the proper justice. Though he is an educated person, the society has not given him the proper justice, and that is why he is angry. On the other hand, he is also angry with the class discrimination because she belongs to in a house in which his wife is coming from upper class. So this is the anger and hatred relationship in this drama. Apathy and passivity. Then one more theme is class conflict, as I told you, class, society, upper class, lower class, like that. This is the class distinction in the class distinction of the society. That is the theme of the play. And identity crisis. Identity crisis. Jimmy has his own identity. On the other hand, uh, Allison has her own identity. Allison is not ready to lose her identity. She is a woman with respect. She is a woman with dignity. She does not want to lose her dignity. She does not want to leave her respect. But when she realized that the anger of her husband has gone beyond the limit. Anger of the husband has gone beyond the limit. And when Helena informed Allison's parents that come here and take your daughter to home, at that time Allison with the heavy heart leaves the house of her husband and stays with her father. So identity is the major role played in the drama. This identity of the character, either it may be a character of Jimmy, it may be a character of Helena, it may be a character of Allison. Every character has his or her own identity, and every character is stick to this identity. They do not. Every character does not want to lose his or her own identity. They strictly follow their identities. Rather, we can say setup. Now, it is given into detail the alienation and loneliness. What are the alienation and loneliness? And how Jimmy Potter is feeling loneliness even in his own house. अपने खुद के घर में कैसे अकेलापन महसूस कर रहा है. उसको यूँ लगता है कि मेरी वाइफ मेरे साथ नहीं है, मेरी सोसाइटी मेरे साथ नहीं है, मैं अकेला पड़ गया हूँ. And he struggles with the society, he struggles with the life, he struggles with the wife. Loneliness. Rather, we can say that it is a play with the psychological effect. Psychological effect. And this psychological effect leads toward the loneliness and alienation. So, okay, this is one thing. The second thing you see, anger and hatred, which I told you, anger and hatred towards, anger and hatred towards Allison also and towards Helena also. Towards Helena. Towards Allison, it is wife. Allison is the wife. Jimmy has love as well as hatred. On the other hand, Helena, so Jimmy has love as well as hatred. In the beginning it was hatred. At the end of the play, it was the love. And became a mistress in the house. Okay. So in order to become a, Helena was the guest. She came in the Allison's house for 2 weeks as a guest. But slowly, this guest was turned as a mistress. So how can it be possible? This became possible that in the beginning it was a hatred and slowly it was turned into the love and mistress, like that. Apathy and passivity, passiveness, like that. And class conflict, upper class, middle class, lower class. These are the differences the society has played in the role in the life of Jimmy Potter. Now, identity crisis we have seen. This is the plot. Plot is divided into 3 acts. It takes place in the single nucleus setting. Jimmy Potter is the main character and emerges as the representative of the disappointed British youth of 1950s. You can see in detail now after this paragraph. So in the first act, Rather, we can say in short, the total drama is divided into three acts. Act 1, pregnancy of Allison. Act 2, Allison leaving for her parents' house. Act 3, Allison coming back at Jimmy's house. Okay. The irony of the situation is that even though the wife is pregnant, but she cannot disclose the news to her husband. Looking at the nature and tenderness and temperament of the husband. हस्बैंड का नेचर देखकर वाइफ को हिम्मत ही नहीं होती कि उसको बताओ अबाउट दिस गुड न्यूज. तो द ड्रामा गिव्स द idea and temperament and nature of the character of Jimmy Potter. Okay, in the second, see here, in the second act, she decides to leave him. Miss Allison decides to leave the house of Jimmy, influenced by her friend Helena, an actress. Helena is an actress. And in the last act, she returns home after the loss of the baby. That is the important point. Miscarriage. And the miscarriage was so hurtful for Allison that there was no possibility of bearing womb for another time, for the next time. Rather, we can say that the pregnancy, this was miscarriage, it was first and last. And for a woman, the miscarriage of a pregnancy, it is a very painful situation in her life. And particularly when there is no another chance of pregnancy, you can imagine the situation of a woman who is going to be a mother and she cannot be a mother. Who is going to be a mother and she cannot be a mother, and there is no hope and there is no chance of becoming a mother next time. So how can she live a life without a child? As a man, husband is not giving the proper support to her. It is said that a woman can pass her life on the assistance of her child or children, 1 or 2 or 3, whatever may be there. Can you understand? So, Allison returns home with the loss of baby by the miscarriage. See the word. Miscarriage. And you understand the word miscarriage. And there is a reconciliation with the husband who lives an old play. Which play? Planning to, this is the thing. Both they are playing. Range, still. Allison becomes this one, and Jimmy becomes this one. Okay. They are playing the role of Ben and Skill. Okay. Like that. Just the children are playing the role of hide and seek, Santaputi, hide and seek. Like that game, they are playing the role. The play is the symbol of love. Actually, in their life, there are so many bitterness, there are so many hatred. But as I told you in the beginning of my lecture, that in spite of so many discrimination, in spite of so many differences, in spite of so many differences of outlook about life, politics, social life, etc., they have one thing in common. And what is the common? They love. They have a sex element. The sex element is the common element in both of the characters, though they have so many differences. Okay. So, and what? Okay, the plot can be said to be the circular plot. Meaning, what is the meaning of the circular? It is right now. Circular. You can start from here. It can be over like that in the beginning. Circular, because the third act starts with replay of the first. When the situation, what was the situation of the first play or the first act? It was the same situation in the beginning of the third act. Rather, we can say circular. Good, like that. Jati Sarvati it is called circular. Is it clear? And see what is the meaning of the word angry young man, and what are the situation and what are the factors responsible to make Jimmy Potter angry young man. Everything is given here in the detail. Rather, we can say historical context to make Jimmy Potter as an angry young man. This is given here. Angry young man's detail. And now the language you can see, particularly the language we have to keep Jimmy's brother. And not only Jimmy, but at the same time his friend Cliff will also use Cliff. This one. Police will also use the or dialect. Rather, we can say local language, dialect. Sometimes we are speaking good Sabarkanthian language. We belong to Sabarkantha, so we use the Sabarkanthian language. Same with the dialectal use was done by John Osborne in the dialogues of Jimmy Potter and Philip. So this is something about how was the language of this drama, and with this note, I think background